Welcome back to Hubb Huggers. Today we're hitting the road to show you what our product is like on boat trailers. We have a customer that purchased about 4 last fall, and with his permission we're going to show you how to remove a Hubb Hugger, and we're going to put a new one on his trailer today. So this is the boat and trailer in question. It's in storage for the winter season, and we recommend that if you have a boat trailer, you should look into our product because they work to keep the bearing buddies in place and protecting the hub. In order to remove the Hubb Hugger, we first need to get the cap off there. It fits pretty snug over the Hubb Hugger, so we're using this electric heat gun to soften it up and make it a little bit easier to remove. And then to take off the Hubb Hugger, you're going to take a blade and cut down the side of it. You're just going to start trying to chip away to break that apart. You can use any tool that makes this easier for you. We're using this flat edge, and you can see it's starting to come off a little bit. Once you get it at the right angle, it comes off pretty easy. You can go back over it with a blade if necessary. So once that's off, you can go ahead and throw it away, and we're ready to put on a new Hubb Hugger. So you're just going to take some acetone to clean off the surface before you put the new one on. Want to make sure that it properly adheres to the surface, and acetone is great at cleaning it. And we also use a wire sponge as well, just to buff it out. And you can put the new Hubb Hugger on there. We're not going to show you this whole process. We have another video on our page that shows you how to install a Hubb Hugger. It's relatively simple. You just use that electric heat gun to mold it onto the bearing buddy. The last thing that you want to have happen is you back your boat trailer into the water and your bearing buddy isn't there protecting the hub. And then water gets in there, and that can be a pretty costly repair. So you can see here with the Hubb Hugger on it, the cap doesn't fit as well. So in order to make sure that you can get the cap back on there and protect the zert, you're going to take the heat gun and make it soft again. Run it over the surface a little bit for a couple seconds. This just makes the cap more malleable so that it fits over the Hubb Hugger. And you can see that with that, it fits perfectly. So here's a wheel on the other side of the trailer. A lot of grease you can see here happened when a bearing buddy came out. This customer goes to Dale Hollow every summer, and this Hubb Hugger hopefully will prevent the bearing buddy from coming out again. Thanks for watching.